Hello friends, welcome back after a long time. Friends, today in this amazing video I bring you a new website which you can earn any special skills or without any techniques. Dear friends, you can earn money with just a simple method, and you can earn from this from both mobile and PC. And listen friends, how much time you can give, this much time you can earn. So friends, come to our video. Dear friends, open any browser and type the name Pico Worker, which I give link below in the description box. Dear friends, click on this page which will go to the main website. So friends, this website show up sign up method, and listen friend, you can put your name which is same to your identity card or passport or any other documents. So guys, put your real name and type your email address and choose any password you want. Dear friend, you should to choose the worker option because I want to earn from this, and do not select on the employer option. Then click on this two green icons. Dear friends, I already created my account, so I cannot need to create another account. You should need to create your new account of this one type. So I am going to log in my account. So friends, my account is open, and you can see guys, I earn $25 on this website, and make sure this is 100% legit website. You can check the reviews of this on trustpilot.com. In this website you can earn from this to do a small task like website marketing, sign ups, and download any apps and other. You can see friends, this task tells that if you do this type of task I will pay 0.030 cent, and other you can see 0.175 cent and 0.050 cent. And inshallah in the next video I will be upload a complete video and guided you how to do these tasks and earn money in a short time. And other friends, you can also select as employer. It means that you can promote your own business like website traffics, referrals, YouTube marketing, and so on. And you can earn from this with affiliate marketing. You can get commission from this 5 to 10%, and you can withdraw minimum when you reach to $5, and you can withdraw to many of payment methods.